Hello dear students, welcome to Max online class. Today we are going to start our 11th chapter Jugs and Mugs. In this chapter we are going to learn about measuring liquids. Children, do you know how to measure liquids? You should always use liquid measuring cups and spoons. Liquid measuring cups are usually glass or plastic and most have spout or pouring. In the metric system of measurement, the most common units of volume are milliliters and liters. These are the pictures of milliliters. Wedding in Bunny's family. There is a wedding in Bunny's family, a family of rabbits. Many guests are invited. Deer, monkey, elephant, cats, dogs, mice, foxes, camels, mongoose, etc. A special drink is served to all the guests. One glass each. Everyone finds the drink very tasty. But some small guests like ants, snail cannot finish a full glass. But elephant is able to finish his glass. Here one wedding is going only. Whose family have wedding? Bunny. Bunny is a rabbit. Many guests are invited. Who all are there? Deer, monkeys, elephants, cats, dogs, mice, foxes, camels, mongoose, etc. There they give a special drink. One glass each. Everyone finds the drink very tasty. But some small guests like ant snail cannot finish a full glass because they are small animals. But big animal like elephant is able to finish his glass. Some others like elephant, deer, monkey ask for more than one glass because they all are big animals. Now the trouble begins. There are some big guests who go on gulping down glass after glass. Bunny wants to guess who drank how much. Help him fill the table, have fun. Less than one glass. Small animals like ant, snail. Between 1 to 5 glasses. That is rat and cat. Between 5 to 10 glasses, rabbit, deer. More than 10 glasses, monkey, elephant. Water in, water out. Have you ever thought like Ladu? About how many glasses of water do you drink in a day? Summer season. Summer is a season of hot. So we can drink more water. Winter. Winter is the season of cold. So we can drink less water. Can you guess how much water goes out of you? Almost half. Bottles and buckets. Get a 1 liter of bottle. Can be an empty bottle of water, oil, etc. Now collect some bottles and a mug, jug, glass, bowl, etc. at your house. Use the 1 liter bottle to check which of these hold more than 1 liter and which one hold less than 1 liter. Make a small drawing if you like. Less than 1 liter, bowl. More than 1 liter, big cooking pot. Less than 1 liter, mug. More than 1 liter, jug. Less than 1 liter, glass. More than 1 liter, bowl. Now look at the bucket in your house. Guess how many liters of water they can hold. Use a 1 liter bottle and check if your guess is right for all the buckets. This is a worksheet. Do yourself. Match the right pairs. About 12 liters, less than half liter, about 5 liter, 1000 liters, half liter, etc. About 12 liter. Bucket, less than half liter. Eye drops bottle. about 5 liter. Water surahi 1000 liters. Water tank half liter. To measure milk. Whose jug hold more? What are Naina and Jitu doing? They are filling their jugs with water. If Naina pours 1 glass of water in her jug, it will look like this. Naina thinks she will have to pour around 3 glasses of water to fill the jug. What do you think? I think she is right. She will have to pour around 3 glasses of water to fill the jug. If Jitu pours 1 glass of water in his jug, it will look like this. Whose jug hold more water? Jitu's jug hold more water. How many glasses of water do you think Jitu should pour to fill his jug? To fill his jug, Jitu should pour 4 glasses of water. If Jitu pours 1 more glass of water, his jug will be around full. No, Jitu's jug will not be around full. It will be around half filled. Naseem and Abdul had to fill their pots each with water. Both pots were equally big and heavy. So they went to the tap again and again, filled their own bottles and poured water into the pots. Naseem had to fill her bottle 16 times from the tap, but Abdul had to fill his bottle only 8 times. Why did Naseem go more times than Abdul? Because Abdul's bottle can hold more water than Naseem's. Naseem's bottle can hold half as much water as Abdul's bottle. How many glasses? Pot B hold 11 glassfuls of water. Pot A hold twice as much water as pot B. That means double of that. How many glasses of water we needed to fill pot A? That means 11 double. What is the answer of 11 double? That is 22 glasses. 11 twos are 22. That means 11 plus 11 is equal to 22. Filling potholes. This is a small town near Kohima. There are some potholes in the road. Before the rains come, children want to fill the holes with pebbles. Pebbles means small stones. They bring pebbles in mugs of the same size. Hole A get filled with 9 mugs of pebbles and hole B gets filled with double of that. That means 9 plus 9, 18 mugs of pebbles. Hole C gets filled with 12 mugs of pebbles. Mark A, B, C on the right hole in the picture. Which is the biggest pothole? That is B, that is 18. If jugs are used, hole A gets filled with 5 jugs. How many jugs of pebbles are needed to fill hole B? That is 10. That means a double of that. 5 plus 5, 10. Pothole B needs twice the number of pebbles than pothole A. That means double of that. So if A gets filled with 5 jugs, B will need to 10 jugs of pebbles to fill. That 5 twos are 10. In this chapter we learned liters and milliliters. Sometimes we use liters and sometimes use milliliters. You would use liters to measure the amount of water in a water bottle or the amount of gasoline in a gas can. A milliliter is a very small unit of measurement. You would use milliliters to measure small amount of liquids such as measuring an amount of liquid medicine. Now we are going to wind up our class. Thank you.